There's prototyping, then there's Three-Dimensional Services Group, the unbelievable prototyping company. So what makes Three-Dimensional Services unbelievable? Well, it's really all about what we produce, how we produce it, and how fast it's produced. And when you can prove all three and consistently deliver quality parts faster than anyone in the business, you've earned the right to be called the unbelievable prototyping company. We have. How about 3 facilities with over 200,000 square feet of the most advanced manufacturing technologies available? A staff not only committed to the most responsive service possible, but a team that knows manufacturing inside and out, knows what deadlines mean, and brings an intuitive thought to each of its customers' projects. A keen sense and know-how to produce parts for any industry, from farming and furniture to aerospace and automotive. Name an industry, we've developed prototypes for it. The capacity and expertise to handle prototype low-volume production and assembly all under one roof, all under one project team. And finally, a global presence with a hands-on office in Europe and one planned for South America. Not many prototyping companies can match the dedication and financial commitment of the Three-Dimensional Services Group. That's why we're called the Unbelievable Prototyping Company. So how do you go about becoming the Unbelievable Prototyping Company? You invest in technology and people and build an attitude of success. An attitude that says it can be done. Not, can it be done? You've heard the saying that there's strength in numbers. The numbers and capacity that ensure your job won't have to wait. Here's ours. Over 100 stamping presses, 26 lasers, 43 machining centers, 10 injection molding machines, 4 rapid prototyping systems, a fully integrated assembly operation, and even a water jet cutting machine. This muscle is supported by design and engineering, a pattern and model shop, casting fabrication, EDM, and a quality control department, all with the express purpose of keeping us ahead of the curve in what we produce, how we produce it, and how fast it's produced. Our forming and fabricating operations manufacture parts through stamping, laser processing, hydroforming, tube bending, and water jet cutting. Our forming area, with presses from 20 to 7,000 ton, surpasses many production shops. We're well equipped to handle simple bends to complex tooling. Our lasers, both 3 and 5 axis, can cut through thick armor plate or slice through thin sheet metal, all with amazingly tight tolerances. 3-axis laser cutting systems provide speed, accuracy, and flexibility, while the 5-axis systems are ideal for cutting complex contours and shapes. Our largest laser boasts a 5 by 10 feet work envelope, and the newest member of our fabricating arsenal is a water jet cutting system with 4 heads, 8 by 12 feet travel, and 11 inches thick cutting capacity, ideal for cutting composites and fabrics, as well as metal applications. But we're not just pros at forming and fabricating, we're also metalworking pros. We've invested in over 43 CNC machining centers, not to mention 75 knee mills and lathes. We're able to machine hardened tool steels to 60 Rockwell at feed rates of up to 20,000 millimeters per minute, as well as machine and finish grind with a machining center that provides a 40,000 RPM spindle with 30,000 millimeters per minute feed rate, and 5-axis cut with a machining center that has an envelope of 5 by 7 feet. Our machining offers a multitude of capabilities for prototype die and mold build. Our machines deliver power, speed, and accuracy to any job with tool paths, tool geometry, fixturing data, and locating parts all developed to ensure that setups are quick and dimensions consistent. Our standard of precision reduces secondary work and avoids project delays. Our expertise even goes beyond forming, fabricating, and metalworking and extends into injection molding. One of the hallmarks of three-dimensional services is that when we see a need, we respond. And we saw a need for rapid plastic parts development, faster than what the current market grew to expect. We provide quick service and even faster turnaround. We have over a dozen injection molding machines from 30 to 850 ton. Shots are controlled to production standards and can include embedded parts such as clips, fasteners, and reflex tooling for lighting and lens packages. We're also able to formulate our own resins to ensure the customer has the best production-like alternative available. Whether it's prototype or low-volume production, we manufacture the components, then employ various resources to assemble these systems, both large and small. We've successfully assembled truck frames, chassis, and cradles, as well as toys and furniture. We're also able to assemble similar or dissimilar materials and stocks of different thickness with our proprietary laser welding assembly system. We also have 10 articulated arm robotic welding cells and a vibration welding system to fuse and assemble multiple component parts. But the muscle, without the support, can only go so far. Our design and engineering department utilizes over 30 high-speed terminals, all with advanced software to allow us to work from virtually any data files. Our software packages include CATIA, Delcam, Mastercam, and Pro Engineer, to name a few. And we are specialized to meet the wide variety of complex process steps, including multi-axis machining, welding, tool mold, and pattern work. When a single part and immediate turnaround are critical, we turn to one of our 4 conventional rapid prototyping technologies: stereolithography, laminated object manufacturing, selective laser sintering, and metal laminating. Each technology produces a solid working model of the design, critical for hands-on review of form, fit, and function. Our in-house pattern and model shop constructs tools using urethane, sand, wood, and plaster, all used to produce cast and molded prototypes. We also have a rapid spin casting machine that allows us to use low-cost and fast-to-complete dies made of rubber polymers. And our EDM department houses over a dozen die sink and wire machines that are fast and accurate. And finally, our QC department. We follow strict quality standards, and our fully equipped inspection department, with over 10 CMMs, guides our ISO 9001 and QS 9000 certified quality assurance programs. We strive for consistent first piece in process and final inspections to ensure that quality is designed into every part we make right from the beginning. So there you have it, the anatomy of three-dimensional services, our pedigree, our resources, our results. One might say a truly unbelievable prototyping company. Believe it, though. To learn even more, please click on the Unbelievable section of this disc, visit our website at 3dimensional.com, or give us a call at 1-800-959-0804.